What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cece, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this wig from looking like this to looking like this. Okay, and it's just a couple steps, not that hard. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I started off with a container, developer bleach, and a mixing tool, which was an old toothbrush. I took that and made my bleach for the knots. I wanted to make sure that the consistency wasn't too thick or wasn't too watery, so I just added more of the bleach powder. And then, as you guys will see, I will take the toothbrush and just brush the bleach onto the knots or onto the lace. Okay, y'all, so after I got the bleach on top of the lace, I just let it sit for a little bit, for about 15 to 20 minutes. I didn't let it sit for too long because I didn't want it to over bleach. So, yeah. After I bleached the knots, I went in and washed the lace with some neutralizing shampoo, and I also conditioned the hair. So as y'all can see, the knots are still pretty much visible, but it wasn't too much of a problem for me because, I mean, I was going to end up using lace tint and makeup anyways. But here I'm just going in, cleaning up and fixing the middle part using wax stick, mousse, and a hot comb. So onto the plucking, I did part the hair down in the middle, as y'all seen that. And then after I parted down the middle, I went in and made 2 more sections on each side so that I could part in sections. I mean, not part, but pluck in sections. So after I plucked the first part of the hairline, I went ahead and parted that down and hot combed it to separate it, and then I just continued the process until I felt like I was far enough back. If y'all want a detailed video on how to pluck or how I pluck, then let me know and I'll get that done for y'all. And now, y'all, I'm just doing the same thing around the entire perimeter of the head. Okay, so after I finished plucking both sides of the hairline, I went ahead and hot combed everything back and cleaned it up. Also brushed through the hair to make sure all of the loose hair was out. And then I'm going to go ahead and start on the baby hairs. Now, everything was cool for me until I got to this part, because I did learn a few things not to do next time. For sure, I feel like before you cut the baby hairs, I think that it's important to curl them first. And then after I curled them, I went ahead and did the baby hairs with mousse. I used Got to Be Glue gel, the one in the black bottle, and I was just having issues trying to make them lay right. Like, they wasn't giving soft, they was giving crunchy. So yeah, if y'all have any tips or tricks, please drop them down below, let me know. But after I finally got the baby hairs taken care of, I went underneath the lace and sprayed it with some lace tint and put some foundation on it. This was what the wig looked like afterwards, and then I installed it on my mom the next day. So if y'all want to go see that video, check out the link in my bio, or check the link in my description box, and you'll be able to find it. I really thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed one, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, by the way, thanks for watching. See you later.